तद इदम अपि एतर्हि एवं वेद स सर्वम भवति. And now about third point. Devatas cannot hinder the knowledge and moksha. Before the knowledge, Devatas can come. After the knowledge, Devatas cannot come because Devatas have no distance between knowledge and moksha. They don't. And second thing what was said, Atma hi esham sa bhavati. Sa jnani, he is the Atma of the Devatas only. So no, they will not hurt themselves. This is the third point. Ab now fourth point comes, Avidya Sutra. Upanishad is going to bash us slightly. So what it says, Bole athaya anyam devatam upaste. Those who worship anya devata, that I am this and this devata is that. Dekho, it is not, upasana is not censored. This buddhi that he is different and I am different and I will get this from him and this is goal of my life. Bas. I am small and this devata is big and this devata will give me and this is the only goal of my life. This is highly censored. This is called karma jad naraha. At one place they are mentioned as karma jad naraha. Those who are becoming inert and foolish because of the action. And for that it is said here, they are pashu eva. They are like animal. They are not like animal. They are animal alone. And they are animal of the devatas. देखो ध्यान देना. When it is said, I am different and this, what is it called? Devatas are different. This buddhi, they do karma kand or they do upasana. Yanti devavrata devan. Yanti devavrata devan. Pitrun yanti pitravrataha. Bhutani yanti bhutejya. Mad bhakta yanti mam. So those who worship those devatas, they go to that devatas. Well, then what is the problem? I have a lot of problem. Because you have made that devata separate. Karma is a good means, bad goal. Right? Because you are targeting karma phal all the time. Your earlier karma phal you are finding difficult to handle. Your ahankar, sense of separateness and karma phal, you are sandwiched in between two. Now by making separate, you are making new fruits of action. And you are the animal of those fruits of action. And therefore, it is said that you are like the animal of those devatas. So this is attack towards, whom? Purmimamsa. Purmimamsa. Bhashkar is not saying. Generally they think, this Bhagwan Shankaracharya was the propounder of Advaita. When you read the philosophies in universities, they use such words, which is totally wrong. Now where is, in this mantra, where is Shankaracharya is coming? Where he is coming? He is not the one who started Advaita. He was the one who brought out Advaita in a beautiful form for everybody, which is already enshrined in the scriptures. See, Aham Brahmasmi, ye kahan se, wo kahan se le aaye wo? Where from he has brought? Now, this person becomes an animal. So three ways I said yesterday. One was the Vyavharik, other was the Adidevik, and third was the Rinadrishti. It is said here, what is said here, that, when a person does action, what is the point in action? You see some bright future. ऐसा करेंगे तो खूब अच्छा हो जाएगा, ये है. Therefore, in Vinay Patrika, Tulsidas ji says, Lanka. What is Lanka? Supravritti Durg Lanka. He says this Lanka, what you say, is a pravritti durg. I will do this, I will have lot of money. I will have lot of power. I will go to and settle in Hong Kong. I'll go there and I'll start a very big business. I will have a very nice family. I will have a nice wife, nice children. We'll be sailing. My house will be near Juhu. I'll be facing the sea beach. All these things what a person paints mentally. Bright future with respect to situation. ध्यान देके सुनना. Bright future with respect to situation. This is called becoming the animal of the situation. Because now he will work for that future. And after working for the future, he may take 20 years, 30 years. Prarabdha has a big role whether that dream will be realized or not. If it is not realized, a person will become sad and unhappy. If it is realized, after that, that thing will be dissatisfying him and he wants something bigger. I was telling one day, charm of something is as long as you don't get it. After you sit on the sea beach, I have gone to the sea beach places. You know, people are there in Durban. Durban's beach is very popular. So they have their houses on the sea beach. So they call me sometimes. All around waves are there. And they have the glass house. So they will see the waves. Then I ask those people, are you more happy here? Well, nahi, how long we will see the same seabirds? What is there to see? But those who go all of a sudden from the din and bustle of the daily life, and all of a sudden they see sea beach, some ship is going from a distance, which you see in painting, etc. कब तक वो सब देखोगे? That has lost its charm. Charm of flying is as long as you have not flown. Moment you start flying frequently, you will lose the charm of flying. It is as good as sitting in the train. कुछ भी उसमें खास बात नहीं है. So these devatas are the one I have projected something. Now after that I'll be working. Problem is, what you have projected, house or wife or job, shape is in the mind. ध्यान देना please. That shape you are identified to. After my death, I will attain that shape. Serious problem is that I wanted a bigger house, I wanted a bigger colony or whatever is there. I got it, I don't get it, whatever is. But that shape won't go. And after death, I will be identified. That means all my punya that I accumulated will be pushed towards giving this house or giving this wife or giving these children. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante kalevaram tam tamevaiti kaunteya सदा तद्भाव भावितः. डर वहां है, मामला खत्म नहीं होगा. दिस मैटर वोंट गेट ओवर. दिस मैटर इज नॉट गोइंग टू फिनिश देयर. दैट आई गॉट द वाइफ एंड इट्स नाउ, अब हम कुछ नहीं चाहिए. ऐसा बोल सकते हो? अब कुछ नहीं चाहिए. आफ्टर मैरिज कोई बोल पाए कुछ नहीं चाहिए? अभी तो शुरू हुआ है उसका. Now this संसार is started. अब जॉब चाहिए उसको, घर चाहिए उसको, ये विस्तार बोलते हैं इसको. अभी तो सैलरी वॉज मिनिमम, यू कैन कंटिन्यू. अब आपकी सैलरी शुड बी मोर. बच्चे चाहिए उसको, बच्चे का स्कूल चाहिए उसको, बच्चे का ड्रेस चाहिए उसको. बच्चा आगे बढ़ गया थोड़ा सा, फिर कोचिंग भेजना उसको. कोचिंग, okay, he is weak in mathematics, physics, chemistry, all. So he has to go there. He needs many extra classes. अब वो 10th में पहुंच गया, अब तो हमको तो कमाना, हम तो पशु बन गए उसके. I become his animal now. I'm earning for him now. अच्छा अब क्या करें फिर? अब आगे बढ़ाओ, उसको जॉब दो. अब जॉब, वेयर फ्रॉम आई गेट अ जॉब? देन आई विल सर्च. IIT में तो आ नहीं पाया, and then he came in CPMT. Okay, so he is nowhere. Then I want some school in donation I will give. So I want to send medical college donation. Then I will go for Manipal. There is Manipal and Mangalore in Karnataka. हाँ, ODP. Okay. You know donation, how much is it there for a medical student? 20 lakh, 30 lakhs. 1 crore? Oh my God. 1 crore? I did not know. Oh my God. Now you imagine, this was his project, to get 1 crore. So much he went up and down to the office. He may have taken loan, etc. आप पशु नहीं तो और क्या है? क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? बड़ा चाहते थे ना वाइफ अच्छी, मिल गया ना तुमको सब. You wanted wife. You don't know you are going to open the Pandora's box. And it is not ending there. अब वो उसको डाल तो दिया, अब वो बार बार फोन कर रहा है, डैडी आई एम नॉट एबल टू कोप अप, कैन आई कम बैक? अरे पागल, I admitted you there. I spent so I want to come back. चलो भाई, somehow I pushed and he passed. Supposing up he has to search for medical college. बोले डैडी आई वांट अ क्लिनिक. अरे आई हैव नो मनी नाउ टू एस्टैब्लिश योर क्लिनिक. यू फाइंड आउट योर ओन वे. आई हैव नो मनी नाउ. आई एम पुटिंग ऑल द लोन्स नाउ. आई एम ऑलरेडी 60. द लोन इज फॉर 25 years, 30 years. ये संसार अलग होता है. आई हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस बट आई एम सीइंग इट नाउ दैट आफ्टर दैट मैटर इज नॉट ओवर. He got some clinic with his some partner. Now you have to search for his wife now. Now he's not getting married now. Constantly or in shapes only. अब desire नहीं छोड़ पा रहे संसार की. After that marriage हो गई somehow कहीं से. After that his child is there. Now I want to play with this child. Babysitting. भाई husband wife both are working. How to meet the ends? मेड रख नहीं सकते so much. बुला लो माता जी को. मदर आई एम यूजिंग एज अ मेड, फादर आई एम यूजिंग एज अ मेड. कौन, who will play with the baby and become a monkey? Who will do all these things? You have to become monkey, sometime donkey. He climbs on you. All in the name of duty. अच्छा नाम दिया, बड़ा सा सुंदर सा नाम है. पैकेजिंग काफ़ी अच्छी किया है. आई एम ऑलरेडी 71. ड्यूटी दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे ये मूर्ख. अब इसको पशु नहीं बोलेंगे तो क्या बोलना चाहिए? यू से, बोले किसी ने कहा नहीं उपनिषद ने पशु क्यों बोल दिया स्वामी? इट इज वेरी ह्यूमिलिएटिंग. ऑफ कोर्स इट इज ट्रूथ. और क्या किया है? व्हाट डू यू वांट? You have to hear the truth now. खूब पिटाई कर देते हैं लोग. उपनिषद तो ऐसा चाटा लगाता है कि बहुत चोट लग जाती है. लगनी चाहिए. You should get her. हम ऐसा क्यों कर देते? याद रखना, this निंदा is not for निंदा. निंदा is for shaking us. Because this sansari won't listen this. Worldly person is not going to listen to this, that he will know that this has been said for me. Total worldly person is not in the class. He doesn't know Upanishad, he doesn't know this has been said. It is we who come in the path. If we have little seekership and we have sansari also, to remove that sansari, therefore this little surgery is performed. And then it is said, then it is said, after that it is, I died with the shape of a grandson. शेप ही तो रहा भाई, लाइफ भर जो जो शेप बनाए एंड काल में भी वही शेप आएगा. It's not that for 70 years I had the shape of house, wife, children, and at the end I will remember Brahman. क्या बात करते हो? Now with that shape I will die now. After the death, चलो भाई, क्या next body you take. And you are making new karma phal, and this way you are creating new big problems. You are now going to face another birth. Up in that birth, which wife I get, which husband I get, which child I get, which body I get, which disease I get, with health I get, with money I get, I don't know. What next will happen to me? Nobody will like that as I had my life. सुन लो जरा सा, anybody else also should be like that. फिर से बोल देते हैं. If I ask you what life you lived, 30, 40, 50, would you like same life anybody else? You will say no. What I went through, nobody should go through that. I don't like everything about me. Is not. If I am asked to live, I will relive in a different manner now. Supposing you are given the same life and you have to relive your own life, then you will live in a very careful manner. This is the one meaning which covers the Karmakand meaning and outside meaning. Third meaning which Bhashyaka writes here, which is a significant, he says we are rini, indebted. And therefore these devatas don't want that you should go for Vedanta and you get Virakt, because their Havan Yagadi will be over. And then they will create some obstacle. Now I will tell you where all this point has been said in the Bhashya. Therefore they create hindrances for your Brahma Gyan. Others are giving Havan, no, why should they trouble me? No, losing one person is a very big thing. Losing one person for them is a big thing. And that too because you have not paid the debts also. And therefore they are saying, when you have taken a loan from me, you are running away now and declaring yourself bankrupt. And you are enjoying life there. First you declare yourself bankrupt and you are staying in a good hotel now. When you have not paid all their dues, you are not supposed to enjoy anything else. Keep on paying first. I will find a way out for you. Now what is written here? Bhashyakar, I was just wanting to express this. Please open page number. कहाँ गया वो? This is the page 282. 282. First, rather 281 you can open. 281. Last paragraph. 281. Last paragraph. You know what is written? Last four lines. Tasmad esham devanam tanna priyam. You got it? Tasmad esham devanam tanna priyam. Leaving this and going for dispassion, etc., this is not dear to devatas. Kim tat? Why? How come? Yad etat brahma atma tattvam kathanchan manushyaha vidyuhu vijaniyuhu. They should not know the self. Tathacha smaranam anugitasu. Anugita is a Gita in Mahabharata. There it is said, Kriyavat bhihi kaunteya devalokah samavartaha na chaitadishtam devana marte upari vartanam. So this devalok, martilok, is full of people who do actions. Here action means havan, yag, ityadi. And na chaitadishtam devanam, devatas don't want Martyahi uparivartanam. They should go above the actions. You can imagine his study, Bhashyakar, right? Immediately he can go in Mahabharata and bring the shlok. And not that he is quoting the whole thing. I asked somebody, where in 15th chapter, what is it, tell me the whole shlok where, Bhagavan has said that I cook the food, pacham mennam chaturvidam. So he started thinking, bole, urdam ulam, das shakam. He started from the beginning because he couldn't quote that one shlok. He brings that particular shlok. This is called Anugita. Anugita is a very typical Gita. Shall I tell about that? After Mahabharata war was over, one day Arjun and Bhagavan were walking. So Arjun said, Bhagavan, that Gita was excellent. Can you tell me once more the whole Gita? So that I'll be more attentive while listening to the Gita. Bhagavan said, I can't repeat what I said. Exact shlok I can't repeat, but I'll give you another version of that. And that is called Anugita. Agla shlok, agli line bahut mazedar hai. And all of you should underline that. Suno. Ataha devaha pashun iva vyagrebhyah. Like somebody who has cow, buffalo, it keeps away from the animals like lion, etc. Brahma Vijnanat Vignam Achikirshanti. These devatas, like the one who has animals, he keeps the lions and tiger away from cow. Similarly, devatas keep these people away from Brahma Vijnana. Ataha devaha pashuni vyagradibhyah brahma vijnanat vignam achikir shanti. They want let us put some obstacle. They put some obstacle. Therefore I am not able to know. I know what my problem is now. I was so good in studies, I understand also. I am so good student, but still lot of vigna are there. Anyway, let me first read. Then it is said here, Asmad upbhogyatvat ma vyutishteyuh. Oh, you know what is written here? These karmkandis who are offering swaha every day, they are my bhogya. I enjoy them. And they should not go above. ये तो बड़े सेल्फिश हो गए यार. अस्मद उपभोग्यत्वात्. त्वात् इज हेतु, जहाँ हेतु होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. माँ व्युत्तिष्ठेयु. दे शुड नॉट राइज. बोले ये तो गलत बात है भाई. आई एम नॉट राइजिंग सो मच, स्टिल दे आर स्टॉपिंग मी. No, because you have not already given your debts. If you had paid your debts, they would have left you. ये थोड़ी ना कि they are holding me forcibly. अब next line, please underline all this. Yam tu mumochaishyanti. One who wants to get liberated, or one whom they want to get liberated. Yam tu, because this is a verb here. Mumochaishyanti. They want that this seeker should get liberated. Why? Because he has paid his due. Matraran, Pitraran, Devaran, Manushyaran, Pitraran, all ran he has given. Therefore, sannyas came after Vanaprastha and after Grahas. Tam Shraddhadibihi Yokshyanti. Yuj dhatu is there, to unite. They associate him with Shraddha, etc. Oh, very good. And vipritam ashraddhadibihi. If they don't want this should be liberated, they put ashraddha in the mind. बड़ा risky कर दिया. Somebody came, grahast but very good seeker. बोले स्वामी जब stop reading Bhagavad. Stop reading this. Few days back. I said, why? Well, I can't believe. Achha, read Upanishad. Upanishad, you can believe that. What you don't believe properly? You tell to me what portion you don't believe, then I'll make you believe. एकदम उड़ गया चेहरा. अश्रद्धादिभि विपरीतम अश्रद्धादिभि. Shraddha means, understand what? First time when you came in the class, you gave me benefit of doubt. You heard Brihadaranyaka Upanishad is there. You did not know me, supposing. You had not heard me, you had not seen. Neither you know any Upanishad. Some start with Brihadaranyaka only. Okay? No tat bodh, at bodh, sidhe wahi. Anyway, so they came, but they had invested little Shraddha. And after that they feel, okay, hum maan ke chalte, I am believing you are right, now tell me. And I said something, you know, Shraddha is always verifiable. If I had faith in a wrong thing, in a wrong person, in due time, you will understand I was illusioned by believing him. Whether it is Devta, whether it is God, whether it is Shastra. I used to do Gayatri. I had heard a lot about Gayatri. But the results of Gayatri, I said, I don't see the result of Gayatri. I went to a saint. He said, what is there? I said, Gayatri, they say, you have Bal comes, Virya comes, Vidya comes. I don't see. That saint said, how long you have been doing and how you have been doing. I said, how many malas you? I said, hardly one mala. He laughed. He said, do 10, 20 malas, then you see the result. I did 30 malas. You won't believe, 3 hours. After that, whole perception was different. Bal was different. Total knowledge, any subject used to click faster. And you concentrate on the Devi. With Shuddhata you do, at a fixed place, at a fixed time. Do proper Achman you do. Chant the shlokas. Then you see. Shraddha is not a blind thing. I invest a Shraddha, I perform certain things, I will see result in 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 1 year. What is Ashraddha? Before going to the process, I become negative about you. Dekho, one is Jigyasa, other is Shanka. In Jigyasa, I am positive. I want to give you a chance. I give you scripture a chance, Guru a chance. First I'll give you, I'll be staying with you for 6 months. Let me see what you teach. If I don't understand, I will verify, I'll leave you. But I will be open. This is called Jigyasa. In Shanka, before I talk, before I hear, I already am blocked. It's like Sati ji had Shanka. And Parvati ji had Jigyasa. Both asked the question to Shivji about Ram. Sati ji also asked, how can the one who is Ishwar, how can he be crying and searching of the wife? And Shivji tried to explain. But she was blocked. She said, no, you are not right. I am not open to hearing. ये देवताओं ने उसका बुद्धि खराब कर दी. Getting the point. Next line, you have to underline that. Tasmat, therefore, mukshuhu, devaradhan paraha. That mumukshu, he should do devta aradhana. Oh, offer jal to Lord Sun. When you touch the feet, please touch the earth, please seek forgiveness. Okay, Tasmat mumukshuhu devaradhan paraha, number 1. Shraddha bhakti paraha. have Shraddha and Bhakti in God. Praneyah. Praneyah. अच्छा, हाँ. Apramadi syat. He should not be pramadi. He should not be forgetful. Do Ishwar Aradhana. Therefore, 100 times I tell to the students, please do Aradhana of God. 100 times. Little Vedanta they read, they leave their Upasana. Our Taponji Maharaj, he was in Uttarkashi. Most of the afternoon went in Somyakashi temple in Uttarkashi. There is Somyakashi temple is there. He had tremendous grace of Lord Shiva on him. बिना उनकी ग्रेस के यू कैनॉट प्रोग्रेस. देख लो आप यहां पे लिखा है, तस्मात् मुमुक्षु देवाराधन परः श्रद्धा भक्ति परः प्रणेयः. हाँ, प्रणेय मीन्स ही शुड बी एसोसिएटेड विथ अप्रमादी स्याद. अच्छा, विद्या प्राप्तिम प्रति, विद्या प्राप्तिम प्रति, विद्याम प्रति तिम वा. Vidya praptim prati means for the gaining of that knowledge or for the gaining of the sadhana of that knowledge, Guru, Shastra, Upadesh, दोनों के लिए. विद्या प्राप्तिम प्रति, विद्याम प्रतीतिम वा. So either he wants the sadhan or he wants the vidya. का क्वे तत् प्रदर्शितम भवति देवा प्रिया वाक्येन. So devatas are not happy. Is not to tell devatas are very bad. Two instruction. First thing, if you don't make action your goal, you will be caught. Because you start enjoying the fruit of action, and while enjoying you have to keep on paying the dues. And second thing, that if past debts are there and you don't know whom to give that, better do Deva Aradhana. By Ishwar Aradhana, all rin mochan, all rin will be taken care of. Okay? And these devatas will give you Shraddha, Bhakti, Guru Upsatti, Shastra Updesh, Satsang, Upanishad. They will be offering you everything. This I wanted to conclude because this is the gist. This is the gist. Otherwise, devatas are very bad. Devatas are not bad. More we will see in our next class time.